Are you looking for a smart lock that adds both security and convenience to your home? Want to lock and unlock your door from anywhere? Welcome to Flicky Facts. Get real-time alerts and even give access to family and guests. No keys needed? In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know Google Nest Yale Smart Lock. From its features to its real-world performance. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the installation guide, touchscreen keypad, 4 AA batteries, inside lock, strike plate, mounting screws, door latch, Nest Connect. If you're interested, Google Nest Yale Lock. Don't worry, I have dropped the link in the description, so you can grab it directly from Amazon. Set up with app. Open the Nest app and sign in with your Google account. Tap on Settings, then tap Add Product, and scan the QR code on the device. Plug it into a wall outlet near your Wi-Fi and lock. Follow the on-screen steps to finish the setup. Installation. To install the Nest x Yale Lock, first remove your old deadbolt from the door. Insert the Nest deadbolt into the door's edge and secure it with the provided screws. Attach the touchscreen keypad to the outside of the door and run the cable through the hole. On the inside, connect the cable to the interior lock and secure it with the mounting plate and screws. Once everything is aligned and tightly fixed, insert the included AA batteries. The lock will power on and guide you through the rest of the setup. Make sure the deadbolt moves smoothly before continuing with the app setup. Open the Nest app and sign in with your Google account. Tap on Settings, then tap Add Product. Scan the QR code inside the battery cover, then follow the on-screen instructions to connect the lock to your Wi-Fi and complete the setup. Once paired, you can lock and unlock your door remotely, receive alerts, and manage access right from the app. Smart feature. When the Nest x Yale Lock is connected to the Nest app, you can unlock your door from your phone. Create passcodes for family, guests, and people you trust. Check the status of your door and lock it from anywhere hands-free with the Google Assistant. You can also enter a passcode, use one-touch locking, or lock it from the Nest app. The Nest x Yale Lock replaces the deadbolt you already have. If someone tries to tamper with it, you'll get an alert. If the batteries start running low, you'll know right away. And if your lock loses power, you can quickly charge it with a 9-volt battery to unlock the door. The Nest x Yale Lock connects to your Wi-Fi and the Nest app through Nest Connect. You'll need one to lock and unlock your door remotely. Specifications. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Google Nest x Yale Lock. See you in the next one.